Okay, today we will be looking at this dollar versus the Japanese yen. As you can see right now, price is around the resistance here. Previous price movement shows that this level here is the resistance because the price went down after hitting this part here. Now looking at this one here, by the way, I am on a 5 minute time frame. So basically what we are looking here is so far bearish movement, although we still need to finish this one in a minute to see what will be the candlestick. But looking here, we have the RSI, which is uh, almost the same as where it failed to break before. Okay. Put a vertical line. So here, see, that's almost the same as the one here. Okay, so there's a tendency that the price will move down. Although interestingly, we have this cloud that may act as the support in here, in this part. Center line, okay. This part here, that could be uh, what you call this one, a support. If you also employ uh, a Fibonacci, sorry, just moving a little bit so that I can see where my Fibonacci should end up. So you put it here and then you put the top one here. Okay, as you can see, the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level corresponds also to this Kumo here. Okay, at around 151.755. Okay, so you will check whether this one will be broken or not. If it will be broken, then this part here will be your next uh, line of defense or the support. Now let's look at the 15-minute time frame to see what is the okay, so this is the trend. Nothing much actually. Let's look at the 1 minute frame. Okay, now 1 minute frame, it's bullish in nature because price movement is above the cloud. Okay, and this red line is above the blue line. Okay, this is Tenkan-sen line, and this one is Kijun-sen line. If this red one is above the blue line, then it means that the price is bullish. Okay, although of course we will see the fluctuations. So that is for the 1 minute. Okay, but on a 15 minute, so now let's go back to the, and a 15 minute, of course, it is bearish. Okay, let's go at the 5 minute mark. Okay, so you can see price went down almost to the uh, to touch the Como. Okay, Como is this one, this part, this like a cloud. Okay, let's magnify that. Okay, as you can see, it continues to test the support if it is strong or not. Again, to recap, previous price movement shows that this part here is the resistance. Okay, and then the resistance was visited again around this time, at around here. Okay, and then the since it is a resistance and it's quite strong, the price moved down, but we can see a support at this level from, or we base our uh, educational guess with the Fibonacci retracement level, which is 23.6 as shown here, and also the Kumo or the cloud from Ichimoku. Okay, so those are two lines, line of defense. Okay. Then RSI, again, during the time when it peak here, RSI is also high. Okay, actually this one will be here like that. Okay, because that's the peak. Then here, it peaks on this one, on the red one, the doji. Okay, it is a doji candlestick. Okay, so this one here, in which it is more or less level of this one. Okay, so currently the price, the support has been breached. Okay, you can see here, but currently the bulls and the bears are still actively buying and selling, so we don't know yet until it will be 4 minutes from now. Then we see the candlestick. So again, these are your supports: 23.6, 38.2, the 550, which is a psychological support, 61.8, and 100. These are not prices, but these are the percentage of this Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, so you have to check the right side to check what is the corresponding price of this one here. Okay, so interestingly, the bears or the sellers are stronger than the bulls at this current price movement. So it still need around 3 minutes to check the outcome between the sellers and the buyers to see which one will prevail, and it will reflected by a candlestick. So that is the importance of candlesticks. The red meaning the sellers are there are more sellers than buyers. Okay, well, green, it means that the buyers push the price up. So by just seeing the colors, you will see what was the sentiment during the time. Now this one, we are looking at it live. Okay. Okay, so the previous 5 minute frame we captured here, and we can see that the bears are overwhelming the bulls. Sellers win this part here. As you can see, there's a big red candlestick. So I think what will happen is on this part here, since we don't really see any bullish candlestick yet. Okay, so this will continue to go down. Okay, most probably here at 50 mark or lower, because of in this part here, as you can see, there's a congestion on this part here, which means that there are buyers around this area that will try to support the price not going down, or else they will be else they will lose. Okay, so much for that, and thank you for listening. I will be back on and see you on my next video.